In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a bar chart using the survey data that I collected on the impact of email to help identify trends and patterns in my data. To get started, I'll open the cleaned up version of my survey responses based on the impact of email in Google Sheets. For this chart, I'd like to take a look at the opinions of individuals and how they view the impact of email on society as mostly positive, mostly negative, or neutral based on gender. To do this, I'll create a bar chart to show the comparison, but first I need to create a pivot table that contains the data that I need. To create a pivot table, I'll select Insert, Pivot Table, and I'll create it on a new sheet. To get the data that I want to chart, I need to add a row and select the question asking about people's opinion of email having a positive or negative impact on society. For the value, I want to see the total count for each of the responses. So next to Values, I'll click Add, and I'll select the opinion question again. Then, under Summarize By, I want to keep the default calculation as Count. To further break the count down by gender, I'll add a column and select the gender question. And now we can see the count for each response broken down by gender. So now we're ready to create a bar chart based on this data. I'll first select the data that I want to view from column A through D, omitting the grand total, and I'll go to Insert, Chart, and I'll change the chart type to bar chart. I'll also go ahead and give the chart a more meaningful title, and I'll call the title The Impact of Email Opinions Based on Gender. This chart helps me notice that the majority of opinions from individuals are overwhelmingly positive. It also allows me to see that there does not appear to be a significant difference in the opinions of individuals based on male, female, or if they preferred not to say.